We'll guide you through how to install Google Gemini on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having Google Gemini on your computer is really convenient because then you can quickly and easily go and access it and go and use it. You can go and ask it a question or go and use it for whatever you need. And it saves you from having to go and open up a web browser and head to the site, as we're going to go and have it on our desktop and we could add it to our taskbar as well. So make sure it's this full guide step by step. Don't go and skip anything, as otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So to follow along as easy as possible, go and use Edge. So press search at the bottom and you can go and type in Microsoft Edge like so. That's what I'm using. It just means you can follow along step by step. And this browser should already be on your computer. Now I'm already on Google here, but you can use a different search engine as well. What we then need to do is go and type in Google Gemini. And we need to come to the site gemini.google.com. So here we are. Make sure you're signed into your account as well. You can see I already am in the top right. Now what you can do is we can just go and leave it as it is. And then what we need to do is head to the top right of Edge. There you're going to go and find the option, which is the three dots. And this is, it says settings and more. So you want to go and click here like so. Now you're going to get a list of options. Don't get overwhelmed here. What we need to do is we need to go down and you need to go and find the option for more tools, hover your cursor over it. You're going to see even more options here. And what you need to do is go and find the option for apps and you can go and hover over it like so. And then you'll see the option install this site as an app. So what you can do is go and click there. You go and get this pop-up and you can name it. I'll keep it as Google Gemini and press install. Go and wait. Shortly, it's going to go and pop up. Now, what you want to do is where it says allow this app to is you can choose what you want. So we've got it pinned to taskbar, pinned to start. We'll go and create a desktop shortcut as well. And you can have an auto start if you want to as well. Then make sure you press allow. Now, if we go and close out of it for now, I'll close out of Edge. You can see it's now on my desktop. I can double click on it and it's going to go and open up. You go and get this pop up in the bottom right here saying, would you like to pin it to your taskbar? And we can go and press yes as well. So that's it. So literally you can go and double click on it. As you can see, here it is. And then we can go and type in something. So I could say, create me a simple logo saying RT, and that's it. You can go and use it for what you want. If you found this useful and you want to see more Gemini guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post guides like this every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below in the comments as well. So I look forward to help you again in the next one when we have another video where we can go and help you out. Have a great day. I'll catch you again soon. Thank you so much for watching.